If need mo ng smartphone na legit na parang high-end yung design, try mo itong Oppo A6 Pro. As you can see here, pwede natin tong tawaging Baby Find X9 kasi madami silang similarities sa design and form factor. Even if hindi metal and glass yung kanyang build and it is mostly polycarbonate, meron din tong drop resistance. Sabi ni Oppo, military grade durability daw yon. Obviously, meron din itong water resistance. IP69 pa. Tapos kahit manipis yung profile niya, it has 6,500 mAh battery up to 7,000 mAh for the 4G model. As you can see, ang ganda ng display nito and ang nipis ng bezels pantay pa all over. It is AMOLED and meron tong up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1080 plus resolution. Sa performance, it is not the fastest around pero it is not bad. Actually, decent na to para sa mga camera phone users and mga casual users. Yung primary camera niya, 50 megapixels, hindi na din masama. It is generally maliwanag, mabilis naman yung focus, and maganda yung kulay. Meron pa tong AI Link Boost technology, kaya malakas yung signal niya parate. Siyempre, marami rin siya mga AI tools na pwede mong paglaruan. Not bad na ito for a phone that starts at 13,999 pesos. For more info, visit www.gizguy.com.